Refrigerator Cheesecake. Yield 9-inch cake. 1 recipe cinnamon crisp crust. 2 tablespoons plain gelatin. 1/2 cup cold water. 2 eggs separated. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup sugar. 1/2 cup milk. 24 ounces cottage cheese. 1 teaspoon grated lemon rind. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 1 teaspoon vanilla. Soak gelatin in water. Blend beaten egg yolk, salt, sugar, and milk. Cook until thick. Add gelatin, mix well, and cool. Drain cottage cheese, then press through sieve and add lemon juice, rind, and vanilla. Fold cheese and stiffly beaten egg whites onto gelatin mixture. Pour into cinnamon crisp crust. Sprinkle 3/4 cup cinnamon crisp crumbs over top. Refrigerate 4 to 6 hours. Cinnamon crisp crust. Yield 9-inch spring form mold. 3 cups cinnamon crisp crumbs. 1/2 cup sugar. 3/4 cup butter or margarine. Combine cinnamon crisp crumbs and sugar. Using fork, blend in butter. Reserve 3/4 cup for top of cake. Press remainder on bottom, sides, and a round cone of spring form mold. Can be used for baked or unbaked cheesecake or pie crusts.